I lost a lot in Bitcoin and got traumatized. But why did I come back? This is how I decide when to enter and when to exit. Every morning, around 7 a.m., I always calculate the daily support and resistance levels. From there, I get a clear picture of how far the price might move. For example, these are the support and resistance level I calculated for Monday, April 13, 2027. And now it's Friday, April 17, 2027. This line represents support, resistance, and the pivot point. As you can see here, when the price was around the pivot point, it moved up. And when it touched this resistance line, the price dropped again. And when it touched this resistance line, the price dropped again. If we calculate it, the move was more than 2.5%. Wow, that's actually pretty decent for daily profit. So, is it just coincidence?